Guys, do you want to learn how to do some fun fiddle songs? I thought it would be fun to do some Friday fiddling. So we did do some of this in class, in one of the classes. But I'm going to show you how to do some stuff. So first of all, make sure your violin's in tune. That's really important for today. Go to the tutorial on my website on how to tune if you need help doing that, and get that tuned. Okay, so you have your strings, right? So this is a violin. Violas, you can use your A and your D string. So we'll just use A and D for everybody. And cello, same thing. Right? So what I want you to do is remember how we talked about your arm level. So when you're playing on your highest string, where your arm is, right? So see where my arm is? It's like this level, right? So then when we go to the next string over, you're gonna lift your whole arm, like almost like somebody's grabbing a lever and pulling it up like this. So we have position 1, right? And then we have 2, then we have 3. You're gonna lift it up even higher. So see what our bow does? So we don't break at our wrist or anything like funky like this to try to go to another string. This is all one piece, okay? So we're gonna move it all together. Now it can move this way, but it can't fall apart this way. It doesn't have joints everywhere, okay? This is like one big U-bar, okay? That's being lifted up and up and up. So try that on your first string. Lift up. That's your D, right? Lift up to your G. So your lowest string for your shoulder instruments is, look where my arm is. See, it's like we talked about, like Batman, right? I'm like, da, 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 right? It's this high. It's like eye level, okay? And then back down, and then all the way to your top string. Okay, so for fiddling, if we want to do double stops, so we're going to talk about double stops in fiddling today. So you can play the A. So go to the level where your A is in cellos. Yours is going to be, your A is like your, this is where your A is. Your A is when your arm is out this way, okay? You're going to play your A. Then level up to D. Now what I want you to do is go halfway between A and D. So you're going to go back just halfway. Look, you can hit both. Isn't that fun? So if you can hit 2 strings at a time, that's called double stops. So we're going to double stop on the A and the D. If you're having trouble with that, the other thing that will help you is, see where my bow is? If your bow is right by your bridge, okay, if it's right over here by this, it's going to be harder. So it'll be easier because the strings are further apart. They go a little bit closer together out here. And our bow doesn't play out here, right? So the furthest we can go on our bow is to the edge of our fingerboard. So if you put your bow to the edge of your fingerboard, put it halfway between the A and the D, then you should be able to play. So here's the rhythm we're going to do. Raspberry, strawberry. You can think that. Raspberry, strawberry. Okay, so try that. Okay, and then you can add it really to any song that you want to play. So if you want to do, like, think of a song that you know, or you can learn a new one. Boy Like Cabbage Down is a really fun one. But maybe Jingle Bells. Do you guys remember Jingle Bells or Jolly Old St. Nicholas? So if we did Jingle Bells and we wanted to add that to it, then we would go, let's see, how does Jingle Bells start? Does it start on F? So you're going to put your finger down on F and then play D and A strings at the same time. Okay, or something fun like that. It's like fiddle style. So try fiddle style and add it to any song that you know that you would like to play. And then let me know. Come to my class and show me what you did, and let's have some fun with that. Okay.